What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Crest Beats. Alright, I'm gonna show you a little trick that I did to get off that nut right there, to take off the clutch basket. This right here, without any special tool. So what I did was I stuck in these grips right there like that. I took this, put it there like that. Hold on. And that's what I did, to take it off and put it back on. I didn't use no special tool. The basket's still good. The nut is nice and tight. And that's it. You know, you do this at your own risk. I'm just showing you what I did. You could be like me. You could go out, get the tool, try other ways to do it. I'm just showing you what I did. Alright? So 01 FI clutch basket install and removal. 1.